Welcome to the class of Table Hub. We are starting with the knowledge of numbers. So kids, सबसे पहले हम numerals read करेंगे, then we will read number names and then we will read Roman numbers. So let's start. 1. O-N-E 1. 1. 2. T-W-O 2. 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. 3. 4. F-O-U-R 4. 5. F-I-V-E 5. 6. S-I-X 6. 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. 7. 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. 8. 9. N-I-N-E 9. 9. 1 0 10 T-E-N 10. 10. 1 1 11 E-L-E-V-E-N 11. 1 2 12 T-W-E-L-V-E 12. 12. 1 3 13 T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N 13. 1 4 14 F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N 14. 1 5 15 F-I-F-T-E-E-N 15. 15. 1 6 16 S-I-X-T-E-E-N 16. 16. 1 7 17 S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N 17. 1 8 18 E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N 18. 1 9 19 N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N 19. 19. 2 0 20 T-W-E-N-T-Y 20. 20. 2 1 21 21. 2 2 22 22. 2 3 23 23. 2 4 24 24. 2 5 25 25. Numerals, number names, Roman numbers. 2 6 26 26. 2 7 27 27. 2 8 28 28. 2 9 29 29. 3 0 30 30. 3 1 31 31. 3 2 32 32. 3 3 33 33. 3 4 34 34. 3 5 35 35. 3 6 36 36. 3 7 37 37. 3 8 38 38. 3 9 39 39. 4 0 40 40. 4 1 41 41. 4 2 42 42. 4 3 43 43. 4 4 44 44. 4 5 45 45. 4 6 46 46. 4 7 47 47. 4 8 48 48. 4 9 49 49. 5 0 50 50. Knowledge numbers, numerals, number names, Roman numbers. Let's start. 5 1 51 51. 5 2 52 52. 5 3 53 53, 5 4 54 54, 5 5 55 55, 5 6 56 56, 5 7 57 57, 5 8 58 58, 5 9 59 59, 6 0 60 60, 6 1 61 61, 6 2 62 62, 6 3 63 63, 6 4 64 64, 6 5 65 65, 6 6 66 66, 6 7 67 67, 6 8 68 68, 6 9 69 69, 7 0 70 70, 7 1 71 71, 7 2 72 72, 7 3 73 73, 7 4 74 74, 7 5 75 75. Numerals, number names, Roman numbers. 7 6 76 76, 7 7 77 77, 7 8 78 78, 7 9 79 79, 8 0 80 80, 8 1 81 81, 8 2 82 82, 8 3 83 83, 8 4 84 84, 8 5 85 85, 8 6 86 86, 8 7 87 87, 8 8 88 88, 8 9 89 89, 9 0 90 90, 9 1 91 91, 9 2 92 92, 9 3 93 93, 9 4 94 94, 9 5 95 95, 9 6 96 96, 9 7 97 97, 9 8 98 98, 9 9 99 99, 1 0 0 100 100. Knowledge of numbers. Numerals, number names, Roman numbers. 200 200 200, 300 300 300, 400 400 400, 500 500 500, 600 600 600, 700 700 700. Numerals, number names, Roman numbers. 800 800 800, 900 900 900, 1000 1000 1000, 2000 2000 2000, 5000 5000 5000, 10000 10,000 10,000. System of numerations. So kids, अब हम न्यूमरेशंस के सिस्टम को रीड करेंगे इंडियन सिस्टम में एंड इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम में. 1 1, 10 10, 100 100, 1000 1000, 10,000 10,000, lakh 100,000, 10 lakh, million, crore 10 million, 10 crore, 100 million. Arab, billion, 10 Arab, 10 billion. Kharab, 100 billion, 10 kharab, trillion. Note, in Great Britain and some other countries, word Arab is called 1000 millions and 10 kharab is called 1 billion. So kids, ग्रेट ब्रिटेन और कुछ कंट्रीज में अरब वर्ड को जो है 1000 मिलियंस कहा जाता है एंड 10 खरब को जो है 1 बिलियन कहा जाता है. फन टाइम. A rabbit want to eat a carrot, but the rabbit do not know the path to reach the carrot. Help the rabbit to find the path by drawing a line through the numbers in correct order from 1 to 100. The path has been started for you. So kids, ये rabbit जो है नंबर 1 पे है एंड ये जो है इस कैरेट को खाना चाहता है, लेकिन इसे पाथ नहीं पता कि वो कैसे वहां तक पहुंचे. आपको 1 से लेके 100 तक जो है इसके लिए पाथ बनाना है. आपके लिए पाथ ऑलरेडी स्टार्ट हो चुका है. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and now we will continue this. After 8 it is 9, then 10, then 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, then 18, 19, 20, then 21, then we go to 22, 23, 24, 25, then 26, 27, then 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, then 33, 34, then 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, then we will go to 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, then we will go 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, then we will go to upwards 64, 65, 66, 67, then downwards 68, then more downwards 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78. Then we will go towards left 79, then down 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, then 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, and the rabbit reaches to carrot. Counting number groups. Practice adding of the following number groups. You can use the number line for addition given at the bottom of the page. So kids, यहाँ पे आप learn करोगे कि कैसे आप numbers की counting कर सकते हो groups बना के. So let's learn them. Group of 2. सबसे पहले हम 2 के groups बनाकर देखेंगे. 2. So now let's start. Add up in twos and count the number of mango. Can you keep on counting in twos? So kids, these are 2 mangoes. This is group of 2 and this is group of 2. So there are total 6 mangoes. This 2, then 2, then 2. Total 6. Group of 3. 3. Add up in threes and count the number of hearts. Can you keep on counting in threes? So kids, इनको जो अब hearts को 3 के groups में count करना है. So the group 1, 2, 3, 4. So the total hearts are 12. Group of 4. 4. Count the number of animals. Add up the legs of these animals in fours. So kids, यहाँ पे सबसे पहले आप animals को count करिए, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are total 5 animals and अब जो है आपको number of legs count करनी है total animals में. So kids, in each group the number of legs are 4, 4, 4, 4 and 4 and the groups are 5. So the answer is total 20 legs. Group of 5. 5. Count the number of hands. Add up the fingers in fives. Can you keep on counting in fives? So kids, पहले number of hands count करिए, उसके बाद fingers को जो है 5 groups में add करते जाइए and फिर बताइए. So the total number of hands are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the number of fingers in each hand is 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. So the total number of fingers are 25. And this is number line. You can take the help of this number line. Now the topic is multiplications. Multiplication is just like counting in number groups. We can write down multiplications using numbers and symbols. So kids, multiplication क्या है? Multiplication is just like कि आप numbers को group में count कर रहे हो. आप multiplications को numbers and symbols के through लिख सकते हो. So kids, here are total 6 apples plus here are total 6 apples equals to total 12 apples. Two groups of 6 apples make 12 apples altogether. So kids, यहाँ पे 6 apples के 2 groups थे जिन्होंने मिलकर total 12 apples create करे. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. This symbol means group of or times of multiplied by. So kids, ये वाला जो यहाँ पे symbol है mathematicals में, ये symbol show करता है कि कितने number of groups या times से multiply करा जा रहा है. This symbol shows, this sign means make or is equal to. This sign का मतलब होता है कि equal to. This number is the answer or product. And kids, ये number जो है answer है या product कह सकते हो. Multiplication tables. How to write and say multiplication table. So kids, अब आप learn करने वाले हैं multiplication tables को. कैसे tables को आप लिख सकते हो and उनको कह सकते हो. So first of all, you will study about the table of 2. So kids, सबसे पहले आपको mathematical form में given है and उसके बाद आप उसको read कैसे कर सकते हो multiplication table को, वो आपको ये given है. So let's start. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 threes are 6. 2 fours are 8. 2 fives are 10. 2 sixes are 12. 2 sevens are 14. 2 eights are 16. 2 nines are 18. 2 tens are 20. Table of 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. 3 fours are 12. 3 fives are 15. 3 sixes are 18. 3 sevens are 21. 3 eights are 24. 3 nines are 27. 3 tens are 30. Table of 4. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. 4 threes are 12. 4 fours are 16. 4 fives are 20. 4 sixes are 24. 4 sevens are 28. 4 eights are 32. 4 nines are 36. 4 tens are 40. Table of 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. 5 threes are 15. 5 fours are 20. 5 fives are 25. 5 sixes are 30. 5 sevens are 35. 5 eights are 40. 5 nines are 45. 5 tens are 50. Do yourself. Fill in the correct answer in the boxes. So kids, let's multiply and write the correct answer. 4 threes are 12. 5 eights are 40. 4 fives are 20. 5 nines are 45. 5 twos are 10. 4 sevens are 28. Table of 6. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. 6 threes are 18. 6 fours are 24. 6 fives are 30. 6 6s are 36, 6 7s are 42, 6 8s are 48, 6 9s are 54, 6 10s are 60. Table of 7. 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, 7 9s are 63, 7 10s are 70. Do yourself. Fill in the correct answer in the boxes. So kids, इनको solve करके आपको correct answer boxes में लिखना है. 7 3s are 21. 7 8s are 56. 6 4s are 24. 7 5s are 35. 6 2s are 12. 6 8s are 48. Now you will learn the table of 8. 8 1s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24. 8 4s are 32. 8 5s are 40. 8 6s are 48. 8 7s are 56. 8 8s are 64. 8 9s are 72. 8 10s are 80. Now, table of 9. 9 1s are 9. 9 2s are 18. 9 3s are 27. 9 4s are 36. 9 5s are 45. 9 6s are 54. 9 7s are 63. 9 8s are 72. 9 9s are 81. 9 10s are 90. Do yourself. Fill in the correct answer in the boxes. So kids, इनको solve करके correct answer boxes में लिखना है. 9 4s are 36. 9 8s are 72. 8 6 are 48. 9 5s are 45. 8 7s are 56. 8 3s are 24. Table of 10. 10 1s are 10. 10 2s are 20. 10 3s are 30. 10 4s are 40. 10 5s are 50. 10 6s are 60. 10 7s are 70. 10 8s are 80. 10 9s are 90. 10 10s are 100. Table of 11. 11 1s are 11. 11 2s are 22. 11 3s are 33. 11 4s are 44. 11 5s are 55. 11 6s are 66. 11 7s are 77. 11 8s are 88. 11 9s are 99. 11 10s are 110. Do yourself. Fill in the blanks. So kids, यहाँ पे काफी सारे blanks जो है incomplete है, उन्हें fill करना है. 10 dash are 60. 10 6s are 60. 11 dash are 44. 11 4s are 44. 10 dash are 80. 10 8s are 80. 11 dash are 55. 5. 11 5s are 55. 10 dash are 30. 10 3s are 30. 11 dash are 99. 11 9s are 99. Table of 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 12 threes are 36, 12 fours are 48, 12 fives are 60, 12 sixes are 72, 12 sevens are 84, 12 eights are 96, 12 nines are 108, 12 tens are 120. Now the table of 13. 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26, 13 threes are 39, 13 fours are 52, 13 fives are 65, 13 sixes are 78, 13 sevens are 91, 13 eights are 104, 13 nines are 117, 13 tens are 130. Do yourself. Fill in the correct number in the boxes. So kids, boxes में आपको correct numbers fill करनी है. Dash fours are 48, 12 fours are 48. Dash 6 are 72, 12 sixes are 72. Dash 8 are 104, 13 eights are 104. Dash 9s are 117, 13 nines are 170. Dash 7s are 84, 12 sevens are 84. Dash 4s are 52, 13 fours are 52. Table of 14. 14 ones are 14, 14 twos are 28, 14 threes are 42, 14 fours are 56, 14 fives are 70, 14 sixes are 84, 14 sevens are 98, 14 eights are 112, 14 nines are 126, 14 tens are 140. Now the table of 15. 15 ones are 15, 15 twos are 30, 15 threes are 45, 15 fours are 60, 15 fives are 75, 15 sixes are 90, 15 sevens are 105, 15 eights are 120, 15 nines are 135, 15 tens are 150. Do yourself. Fill in the correct answer in the boxes. So kids, boxes में जो है correct answer fill करिए. 14 fives are 70. 15 eights are 120. 14 sevens are 98. 15 sixes are 90. 14 threes are 42. 15 sixes are 90. Now the table of 16. 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32, 16 threes are 48, 16 fours are 64, 16 fives are 80, 16 sixes are 96, 16 sevens are 112, 16 eights are 128, 16 nines are 144, 16 tens are 160. Table of 17. 17 ones are 17, 17 twos are 34, 17 threes are 51, 17 fours are 68, 17 fives are 85, 17 sixes are 102, 17 sevens are 119, 17 eights are 136, 17 nines are 153, 17 tens are 170. Fill in the blanks. 16 dash are 96, 16 6 are 96. 17 dash are 85. 17 5s are 85. 16 dash are 64. 16 4s are 64. 17 dash are 34. 17 2s are 34. 16 dash are 128. 16 8s are 128. 17 dash are 119. 17 7s are 119. Now table of 18. 18 1s are 18. 18 2s are 36. 18 3s are 54. 18 4s are 72. 18 5s are 90. 18 6s are 108. 18 7s are 126. 18 8s are 144. 18 9s are 162. 18 10s are 180. Now the table of 19. 19 1s are 19. 19 2s are 38. 19 3s are 57. 19 4s are 76. 19 5s are 95. 19 6s are 114. 19 7s are 133. 19 8s are 152. 19 9s are 171. 19 10s are 190. Do yourself. Fill in the blanks. Dash 7s are 126. 18 7s are 126. Dash 5s are 95. 19 5s are 95. Dash 4s are 72. 18 4s are 72. Dash 3s are 57. 19 3s are 57. Dash 5s are 90. 18 5s are 90. Dash 8s are 152. It's 19 8s are 152. Now it is table of 20. 20 1s are 20. 22s are 40. 23s are 60. 24s are 80. 25s are 100. 26 are 120. 27s are 140. 28s are 160. 29s are 180. 2010s are 200. Check your test. A. Write the missing numbers. So kids, यहाँ पे जो है आपको missing numbers fill करने हैं. Dash 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. 12 dash are 108. 12 9s are 108. Dash 7s are 49. 7 7s are 49. 17 dash are 102. 17 6s are 102. 19 9s are 171. B. Solve the following multiplications. So kids, यहाँ पे आपको जो है इन multiplications को solve करके लिखना है. 8 1s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 8 3s are 24. 8 4s are 32. 8 5s are 40. 8 6 are 48. 8 7s are 56. 8 8s are 64. 8 9s are 72. 8 10s are 80. C. 13. So kids, अब 13 में multiplications करने हैं. 13 1s are 13. 13 2s are 32. 13 2s are 26. 13 3s are 39. 13 4s are 52. 13 5s are 65. 13 sixes are 78. 13 sevens are 91. 13 eights are 104. 13 nines are 117. 13 tens are 130. B. Which parrot eats which apple? Draw by lines. So kids, यहाँ पे कौन सा पैरेट जो है कौन से एप्पल को ईट करेगा वो आपको लाइन ड्रॉ करके बताना है. 7 fours are 28. So this parrot will eat this apple. 4 nines are 36. So this parrot will eat this apple. 7 threes are 21. So this one. 6 nines are 54. This apple. 8 threes are 24. This parrot will eat this apple. 5 threes are 15. So this parrot will eat this apple. E. Which mango falls in which basket? Draw by lines. So kids, इसमें से कौन सा मैंगो जो है कौन सी बास्केट में आके फॉल करेगा वो आपको लाइन ड्रॉ करके बताना है. 15 nines are 135. So this apple will fall into this basket. 13 sixes are 78. So this mango will fall into this basket. 18 fives are 90. So into this basket. 15 fives are 75. So this mango will fall into this basket. 15 fives are 80. So this mango will fall into this basket. 19 sevens are 133. So this mango will fall into this basket. 17 sevens are 119. So this mango will go into this basket. Multiplication grid of 1 to 10. So kids, यहाँ पे जो आपको 1 से लेके 10 तक जो है multiplication grid given है. Let's read it. So it's 1 ones are 1, 3 threes are 9, 5 6 are 30, 8 8s are 64 till 100. Multiplication grid of 11 to 20. So kids, 11 से लेके 20 तक आपको complete multiplication grid जो है given है. 11 ones are 11, 14 fives are 70, 17 eights are 136 till 200. Now the topic is multiplication of 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 3 by 4 and 1 by 2. So first of all we will read table of 1 by 4. 1 by 4 ones are 1 by 4, 1 by 4 twos are 1 by 2, 1 by 4 threes are 3 by 4, 1 by 4s are 1, 1 by 4 fives are 1 by 4, 1 by 4 sixes are 1 by 2, 1 by 4 sevens are 1 3 by 4, 1 by 4 eights are 2, 1 by 4 nines are 2 1 by 4, 1 by 4 tens are 2 1 by 2. Now table of 1 by 2, which is half. 1 by 2 ones are 1 by 2, 1 by 2 threes are 1 by 2, 1 by 4s are 2, 1 by 2 fives are 2 1 by 2, 1 by 2 sixes are 3, 1 by 2 sevens are 3 1 by 2, 1 by 2 eights are 4, 1 by 2 nines are 4 1 by 2, 1 by 2 tens are 5. Now table of 3 by 4. 3 by 4 ones are 3 by 4, 3 by 4 twos are 1 by 2, 3 by 4 threes are 2 1 by 4, 3 by 4s are 3, 3 by 4 fives are 3 by 4, 3 by 4 sixes are 4 1 by 2, 3 by 4 sevens are 5 1 by 4, 3 by 4 8s are 6. 3 by 4 9s are 6. 3 by 4 3 by 4 10s are 7. 1 by 2. Table of 1 1 by 2. 1 1 by 2 1s are 1 1 by 2. 1 1 by 2 2s are 3. 1 1 by 2 3s are 4. 1 by 2. 1 1 by 2 4s are 6. 1 1 by 2 5s are 7. 1 by 2. 1 1 by 2 6s are 9. 1 1 by 2 7s are 10. 1 by 2. 1 1 by 2 8s are 12. 1 1 by 2 9s are 13. 1 by 2. 1 1 by 2 10s are 15. So kids, now we are starting with the new topic, types of numbers. So kids, mathematics में numbers भी काफी सारे types के होते हैं. Let's read them one by one. Natural numbers. Counting numbers are called natural numbers. The smallest natural number is 1. So kids, ऐसे numbers जो counting numbers होते हैं, that numbers are called natural numbers. And जो सबसे smallest natural number होता है वो 1 होता है. For example, 1 2 3 4 dot 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 etc. यानी नेचुरल नंबर्स जो है काउंटिंग नंबर्स होते हैं जो 1 से लेकर स्टार्ट होते हैं और एंडलेस चलते जाते हैं. होल नंबर्स स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 0. नेचुरल नंबर्स आर कॉल्ड होल नंबर्स विद 0 बीइंग द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर. सो किड्स, जब हम नेचुरल नंबर्स की कैटेगरी में 0 नंबर को ऐड कर देते हैं, यानी जब हमारी नंबर्स की काउंटिंग 0 से स्टार्ट होती है इंक्लूडिंग नेचुरल नंबर्स, दैट कैटेगरी कम्स इनटू द होल नंबर्स. एंड होल नंबर्स में जो सबसे छोटा स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर होता है दैट इज 0. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 0 1 2 3 4 डॉट 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 एक्सेट्रा. सो ये 0 से स्टार्ट होते हैं और एंडलेस चलते जाते हैं. प्राइम नंबर्स, the numbers divided by itself or 1 are known as prime numbers. So kids, ऐसे numbers जो खुद से divisible होते हैं और 1 से divisible होते हैं, that are known as the prime numbers. For example, 2 3 5 7 dot 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 etc. So kids, ये सभी जो है prime numbers हैं क्योंकि ये खुद से divide होते हैं और सिर्फ 1 से होते हैं. The first prime number is 2. The only even prime number which is also a prime number is 2. So kids, जो सबसे पहला prime number होता है और जो सबसे छोटा prime number होता है वो होता है 2. and 2 ही जो है सिर्फ only even prime number है. बाकी जितने भी prime numbers हैं वो सभी odd है. And always remember this. The next category of numbers is composite numbers. All numbers greater than 1 that are not prime numbers are called composite numbers. The following are the composite numbers below 100. So kids, जितने भी numbers जो हमेशा 1 से बड़े होते हैं, greater than 1 होते हैं and जो prime numbers नहीं होते, that all numbers come into the category of composite numbers. यानी उनका जो divisible number होता है वो 2 से ज़्यादा होता है. And this is the numbers which are composite numbers that are below 100. Let's read them. 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18, 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 30, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 38, 39, 40, 42, 44, 45, 46, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 60, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 68, 69, 70, 72, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 80, 81, 82, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 98, 99. All these are the composite numbers below 100. Next is even numbers. The numbers divisible by 2 are known as even numbers. For example, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, dot 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 etc. So kids, वो numbers जो 2 से divisible होते हैं, that numbers are called the even numbers. For example, they start from 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and many more. Odd numbers. The numbers not divisible by 2 are known as odd numbers. For example, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, ... etc. So kids, वो numbers जो 2 से divisible नहीं होते, that all numbers are known as the odd numbers. They start from 1, then 3, 5, 7, 9 and many more. Now we are starting with the new topic, name of days and months, English and Hindi days. So kids, अब जो है आप days and months के names को read करोगे and सबसे पहले आप English में and हिंदी के days में names learn करोगे. 1. Monday, जिसको हिंदी में सोमवार कहते हैं. 2. Tuesday, मंगलवार. 3. Wednesday, इसको हिंदी में बोलते हैं बुधवार. 4. Thursday, बृहस्पतिवार, इसको हिंदी में बृहस्पतिवार कहते हैं. 5. Friday, शुक्रवार. 6. Saturday, शनिवार. So kids, Saturday को हिंदी में शनिवार कहते हैं. 7. Sunday, रविवार. Sunday को हिंदी में रविवार कहते हैं. तो किड्स, अब आप मंथ्स के नेम्स को रीड करोगे. सबसे पहले हम हिंदी में रीड करेंगे, देन हम इंग्लिश में रीड करेंगे. हिंदी मंथ्स. 1. चैत्र. 2. बैसाख. 3. ज्येष्ठ. 4. अषाढ़. 5. श्रावण. 6. भाद्रपद. 7. अश्विन. 8. कार्तिक. 9. मार्गशीर्ष. 10. पौष. 11. मघ. 12. फाल्गुन. इंग्लिश मंथ्स. अब हम इंग्लिश में रीड करते हैं. 1. जनवरी. 2. फरवरी. 3. मार्च. 4. अप्रैल. 5. मई. 6. जून. 7. जुलाई. 8. अगस्त. 9. सितंबर. 10. अक्टूबर. 11. नवंबर and 12. दिसंबर. Learn these. So kids, इन्हें learn करिए मेरे साथ. 30 days have April, June, September and November. So kids, April, June, September and November में 30 days होते हैं. All the rest have 31. और जितने भी बचे हुए months होते हैं उनमें 31 days होते हैं. But February has 28 alone. Leap year comes 1 in 4 years when February has a day more. So kids, लेकिन February में जो है सिर्फ ऐसा month होता है जिसमें अकेले सिर्फ 28 days होते हैं. जब लीप ईयर आता है 4 years में एक बार, तो February में जो है एक दिन एक्स्ट्रा हो जाता है, which is total 29 days. Now our topic is finding a leap year. कैसे हम लीप ईयर को फाइंड कर सकते हैं? Divide the number of years by 4. If there is no remainder, the year is a leap year. So kids, आपको जो है number of years को 4 से divide करना है. अगर कोई भी remainder नहीं बचता, that means that year is known as the leap year. For example, 1988, 1992, 1996, etc. All these are the leap years. Divide the century years like 1800, 1900, 2000, etc. by 400. If there is no remainder, the year is leap year. So kids, जो century years होते हैं जैसे 1800, 1900, 2000, उनको 400 से divide करना होता है. अगर 400 से divide करके कोई भी remainder नहीं बचता, so that means that year is a leap year. Thus, 1200, 1600, 2000 and many more are the leap years. इसलिए ये सभी years जो है leap years है, but 1800, 1900, 2100, 2300 are not. A lunar month or the time in which the moon travels around the earth is approximately equal to 28 days. So kids, lunar month यानी वो time जब moon जो है earth के आसपास travel करता है, उस time पे approximately it takes equal to 28 days. A solar year or the time in which the earth travels around the sun is approximately equal to 365 days, 5 hours, 48 minutes and 47 by half seconds. So kids, solar year यानी वो time period जब earth sun के around travel करती है, and it approximately takes equal to 365 days, 5 hours, 48 minutes and 47 by half seconds. Now the topic is measurements, measures of time. सबसे पहले आप learn करेंगे कि time को कैसे measures किया जाता है. 60 seconds is equal to 1 minute, 24 hours equals to 1 day. So kids, जब 60 seconds complete होते हैं तो that means 1 minute complete हो गया. 24 hours complete होने पे 1 day complete होता है, यानी एक दिन में 24 hours होते हैं. 28 to 31 days 1 month, जब 28 से 31 days कंप्लीट होते हैं तब 1 month कंप्लीट होता है। 12 months 1 year, जब 12 महीने कंप्लीट हो जाते हैं तो 1 year कंप्लीट हो जाता है। 365 days equals to 1 year, 100 years equals to 1 century। So kids, जब 365 days कंप्लीट होते हैं that means equal to 1 year कंप्लीट हो गया, और जब 100 years कंप्लीट होते हैं that means 1 century is completed। 60 minutes equals to 1 hour, 1 hour में यानी 1 घंटे में 60 minutes होते हैं। 7 days is equal to 1 week, 7 दिन जब कंप्लीट होते हैं तो 1 week कंप्लीट माना जाता है। 52 weeks equals to 1 year, 1 year में टोटल 52 weeks होते हैं। 366 days means 1 leap year, 10 years equals to 1 decade। So kids, अगर 366 days आ रहे हैं तो that means वो 1 leap year है, और जब 10 years कंप्लीट हो जाते हैं that is 1 decade। 1000 years equals to 1 millennium। Now it is time period। 1 year is equal to anniversary, 1 year complete होने पे anniversary होती है। 25 years को complete होने पे silver jubilee कहते हैं। 50 years को complete होने पे golden jubilee कहते हैं। 60 years को complete होने में diamond jubilee कही जाती है। 75 years को complete होने में platinum jubilee कहते हैं। 100 years को complete होने में centenary कहते हैं। Relation between a 12-hour clock and a 24-hour clock। So kids, अब आप relation read करोगे जो एक 12-hour clock और 24-hour clock के बीच में होता है। So kids, this is 24-hour clock, this is 12-hour clock, उसी में ही 24-hour में क्या relation होता है। Again 24-hour clock जब इस टाइम शो करती है तो उसका relation 12-hour clock में क्या होता है। So here it is 1, it is 1 AM, 2, 2 AM, 3, 3 AM, 4, 4 AM, 5, 5 AM, 6, 6 AM, 7, 7 AM, 8, 8 AM, 9, 9 AM, 10, 10 AM, 11, 11 AM, 12, 12 AM. Now let's come here. So kids, it's 24-hour clock and that is 12-hour clock. So जब 24-hour clock में 13 times show करता है, so that means अगर हम 12-hour clock के रिलेशन में देखें तो that means equal to 1 PM, यानी दोपहर का 1 बज रहा है। 14 means 2 PM, 15 means 3 PM, 16 means 4 PM, 17 means 5 PM, 18 means 6 PM, 19 means 7 PM, 20 means 8 PM, 21 means 9 PM, 22 means 10 PM, 23 means 11 PM, यानी जब रात के 11 बज रहे होते हैं। And 0000 means 12 PM, यानी रात के जब 12 बजते हैं। Now the topic is measurement of length. Length को कैसे measure किया जाता है। 10 millimeters mm is equal to 1 centimeter cm. 10 centimeters cm is equal to 1 decimeter dm. 10 decimeters dm is equal to 1 meter, which is m. 10 meters m is equal to 1 decameter dam. 10 decameters dam is equal to 1 hectometers, which is hm. 10 hectometers hm is equal to 1 kilometer, which is km. 8 barley corns is equal to 1 inch in. So kids, जो 8 barley corns होते हैं उसकी equal होता है 1 inch के। 12 inches equals to 1 foot, यानी जब 12 इंच होते हैं so that is equal to 1 foot. Measurement of unit, अब unit की measurement को read करते हैं। 1 piece equals to 1 unit, 2 units equals to 1 pair PR. So kids, जब एक piece होता है तो वो एक unit कहलाई जाती है, लेकिन जब 2 units हो जाती हैं तो वो 1 pair कहलाया जाता है। 12 units is equal to 1 dozen, DOZ. 12 dozens is equal to 1 gross. जब 12 dozen हो जाते हैं तो वो 1 gross के equal माना जाता है। 20 units equals to 1 score. Now it is measurement of paper. Paper का measurement कैसे लेते हैं? 24 sheets equals to 1 quire QR, which is equal to 2 dozens. 20 quires is equal to 480 sheets, which is equal to 1 ream. 500 sheets equals to 1 commercial ream. So जब 500 sheets हो जाती हैं उसके bundle को 1 commercial ream माना जाता है। Measures of weights. अब हम weights के measures को read करेंगे। 10 milligrams mg is equal to 1 centigram cg. 10 centigrams cg is equals to 1 decigram dg. 10 decigrams dg is equal to 1 gram g. 10 grams G is equal to 1 decagram DAP. 10 decagrams DAP is equal to 1 hectogram Hg. 10 hectograms Hg is equal to 1 kilogram Kg. Now the topic is measures of capacity. Capacity यानी आप quantity को कैसे measure कर सकते हो. 10 millimeters equals to 1 centiliter. 10 centiliters equals to 1 deciliter. 10 deciliters is equal to 1 liter. 10 liters is equal to 1 decaliter. 10 decaliters which is equal to 1 hectoliter. 10 hectoliters is equal to 1 kiloliter. Now the topic is temperature and direction. So kids, अब आप temperature and direction के बारे में पढ़ोगे. Measurement of temperature. सबसे पहले हम start कर रहे हैं temperature की measurement से. So kids, here it is scale. Here you have given centigrade. यहाँ पे आपको Fahrenheit given है. And इसके बाद how to convert centigrade into Fahrenheit. यानी आप इस centigrade को यानी Celsius को Fahrenheit में कैसे convert कर सकते हो, वो यहाँ पे आपको given है. So let's read it. Boiling point of water at sea level. So kids, sea level पे जो बॉइलिंग पॉइंट होता है वाटर का वो सेंटीग्रेड में 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस होता है एंड फ़ारेनहाइट में 212 फ़ारेनहाइट होता है. हाउ टू कन्वर्ट इट? फ़ारेनहाइट इज इक्वल टू C into 9 upon 5 plus 32. ह्यूमन बॉडी टेम्परेचर नॉर्मल ह्यूमन बॉडी टेम्परेचर होता है 37 डिग्री सेल्सियस एंड फ़ारेनहाइट में होता है 98.6 फ़ारेनहाइट. हाउ टू कन्वर्ट फ़ारेनहाइट इंटू सेंटीग्रेड? यहाँ पे कैसे आप कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो, यानी कि जब आपको फ़ारेनहाइट को सेंटीग्रेड में कन्वर्ट करना हो तो C इक्वल्स टू F-32/9 + 5. फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट ऑफ वाटर एट सी लेवल पे फ्रीजिंग पॉइंट क्या होता है पानी का? सेंटीग्रेड में वो 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस होता है, फ़ारेनहाइट में वो 32 डिग्री F होता है. हिंदी नेम्स ऑफ डायरेक्शंस. सो किड्स, जो डायरेक्शंस होती हैं उनके हिंदी नेम भी होते हैं. लेट्स रीड इट. नॉर्थ जिसको उत्तर कहते हैं, साउथ जिसको हम दक्षिण कहते हैं, ईस्ट को हम कहते हैं पूरब, वेस्ट को हम कहते हैं पश्चिम, नॉर्थ ईस्ट हम कहते हैं ईशान, नॉर्थ वेस्ट को कहते हैं वायव्य, साउथ ईस्ट को कहा जाता है आग्नेय, साउथ वेस्ट को कहते हैं नैऋत्य. So kids, these all are the directions. The main directions are north, south, east and west. Between north and east is northeast. Between east and south is southeast. Between south and west is southwest. And between west and north is northwest. Now the topic is symbols of mathematics. So kids, यहाँ पे आपको mathematics में काफी सारे symbols use करे जाते हैं जिनका एक स्पेसिफिक मीनिंग होता है. उसकी टेबल यहाँ पर आपको गिवन है. सो दीज आर सिंबल्स एंड दीज आर मीनिंग्स. दिस मीन्स एडिशन यानी प्लस, दिस मीन्स सब्ट्रैक्शन यानी माइनस, प्लस माइनस मीन्स प्लस और माइनस, दिस मीन्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन, दैट मीन्स डिवीजन, दिस मीन्स इज नॉट इक्वल टू, दिस मीन्स इज ग्रेटर देन यानी कोई नंबर उससे बड़ा है, दैट मीन्स बिकॉज and this means therefore. Again here symbols and meanings. This symbol means right angle. This is the symbol of triangle. This is circle. This is square. This is the symbol of degree. This means is less than. This means is equal to. This is the symbol of percent. And this last symbol is of angle. Thank you kids. I hope you enjoy the learning.